Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back. And if you are new here, then subscribing would be of great help. So today we have gotten a massive leak about the Galaxy S21 series, including all the high resolution watermarkless images showing all the angles, all the colors of the Galaxy S21 series. So to start with the Galaxy S21, we will have 4 colors on the launch day, including the black, the white, this light pink which is somewhat of an orange, and then this very unique purplish color with the golden frame, and this combination looks very great. Then we have the Galaxy S21 Plus, which is a carbon copy of the Galaxy S21, just a bit bigger, but we will get one less color option as we don't get the light pink variant, and the white has been swapped out for a phantom silver which is returning after a long absence. Also, this phantom silver color option has some aura glow properties, so you can expect slight rainbow shimmer. And then we have the Ultra, which brings upgrades over the Galaxy S21 Plus with more cameras, bigger camera bump and less colors. The Samsung staple: the more expensive the smartphone gets, the less colors you get. They did the same thing last year with the Galaxy S20 Plus not having the pink and the Ultra not having either the pink or the blue. Note 20 Ultra didn't get the green or the blue, and then this year the same thing. Expensive phones gets way less color option. Samsung, why do you think this is a good thing? And the cheapest phone they make, which is the S20 FE, that phone has the most color options. Now something else which is interesting is that in the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus, they have almost flat displays. If we look at the side profile of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, we can clearly see the curved display. But if we take a look at the side profile of the S21 or the S21 Plus, we see almost no curve, but this is still a tiny bit more than the 2.5D glass, as this video clearly shows light being reflected on the desk when the phone is laid down, so some amount of curve is definitely there, but it is very less amount of curve. Let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section. Do subscribe for more hands-on videos on the Galaxy S21 series which is coming soon. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. You can also say hi to me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.